Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can turn off audio in Capcut PC. So you'll not have audio when someone is watching the video, so the video is without any audio. Alright, so let's jump right into the video, and also make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, for more Capcut tutorials and tutorials in general. This channel is all about tutorials pretty much. But now let's import our video. Okay, so I have this video here. I'll grab the video, drag it onto the timeline, and here, as you can see, this video has audio. As you can see here, audio. And we also can click on select. Also make sure you select the video, and then when you select the video, you have here video, audio, speed, animation tracking. Make sure you click on audio, and then grab this and drag all the way down. Now there's no audio, and you can also do it from here. So let's go Control C, Control Z. Now we have audio. You can also grab the audio. You see these arrows pointing up and down. Just grab it and drag all the way down. You don't have audio now as well. So that's what you have to do to remove audio. You can also select the video. That's actually the another way. Select the video and click here on separate audio. You can also use the shortcut Control Shift S, and I'm gonna use the shortcut Control Shift S. Alright, Control Shift and S. Now we have the audio. Select the audio, and now here you can just delete it, and now you don't have audio. Alright, so I hope this tutorial helped you. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching, and take care.